Getting started with model railways is like stepping into a world of creativity, history and endless fun. But let's face it can feel a bit overwhelming at first. Scales, eras, liveries, what do they all mean? And how do you pick the perfect model for yourself or as a gift? Well, don't worry, we've got your back. We've put together some fantastic options to help you kick off your model railway journey or find the ideal gift for a loved one. Let's start with the best way to begin, our range of sets. Whether you're a total newbie or buying for someone else, these sets are packed with everything you need to get straight out of the box. Across various scales and price points, there's something for everyone. First off, we're looking at our 00 gauge range. What's 00, you ask? Great question. 00 is the go-to size for model railways, with a 176 scale, meaning the models are 76 times smaller than the real thing. If you've ever seen a model train, chances are it was 00. Here are some of our top picks. Step back into the golden age of railways with the Valley Drifter set, inspired by the charming countryside lines of yesteryear. It's a romantic nod to simpler times, the perfect gift for a beginner. Ready to pick up the pace? The Great Western Railway high-speed train set is perfect for beginners. It's a railroad locomotive, so its design includes fewer details, making it robust and easy to handle as you speed into the hobby. Bring the magic of Christmas to life. The Santa's Express is more than a train, it's a holiday tradition. Place it beneath your Christmas tree for a festive centrepiece the whole family will love. Nothing says Christmas like that iconic holiday jingle. And now you can recreate the magic with this delightful train set. Imagine waking up on Christmas morning to this iconic red train, delivering holiday cheer around your tree. For a touch of vintage charm, this set is a modern recreation of the classic 1955's Triangle Railways cover star. Featuring a Class 3F Ginty locomotive and authentic LMS coaches, it's a fantastic choice for a nostalgic gift. Now if you're short on space, that's not a problem. Our TT120 range offers the same high quality as 00, but in a more compact 1/120th scale, meaning it's 120 times smaller than the real thing. It's perfect for smaller spaces without sacrificing any of the fun. So if you're looking for that smaller scale, TT is perfect and we have lots of sets for that. Like the Intercity HST set, it's a brilliant way to dive into TT. Packed with intricate details, the Intercity HST includes a starter oval track and siding, just right for creating a dynamic layout from day one. A great way to step into the small-scale world of Hornby TT. Want to take your experience to the next level? Then you want the Intercity 125 high-speed train set sound-fitted. This version of the Intercity HST set includes a pre-fitted decoder, adding an immersive layer of realism, which when used via the free-to-download HMDCC app means you can control everything from multiple whistles, a carriage brake squeal, the guard's whistle and even a slamming door, as well as power functions. It even features working lights for a truly lifelike touch. Hornby is more than just a set. It's a complete system. Start small and expand as you go. Add more tracks, trains and accessories whenever you're ready to level up. Ready to explore the full range? Visit hornby.com to see all our sets and accessories. Don't forget to like, subscribe and join our community for even more tips, tricks and model railway fun. Thanks for watching.